Hi, I'm Archie Koimtsidis, CEO MD of Cardinal Resources, gold-focused exploration development company based in Ghana, West Africa. We have a project called the Namdini Project, which we first drilled in 2014, and we declared a discovery a year later, and as recent as 2 weeks ago, we put out our feasibility study into the marketplace. This is our flagship project, which has 5.1 million ounces of gold sitting in a single open pit in the northern part of Ghana. We also have other exploration ground around this discovery, and we plan to further expand our exploration to the vicinity, because we believe that the general area is mineralised and there is potential beyond this 15-year mine plan that's currently in front of us. Some of the company milestones are to now be financed in some way, shape or form. We've got to the point where our feasibility is out there for everybody to read. Our database is being reviewed by traditional lenders, and it's also being reviewed by corporates that are in this space. And what we're looking forward to is the digestion of all of our information in the market by both fronts, or on both fronts I should say. And as a result, we expect to see some news flow coming out of that towards us, and seeing what people are thinking about our project in the immediate future, in the next 3 to 6 months. Our team consists of seasoned veterans in this mining space. Our board has been rotating as we've been growing from a single drill hole up to a 5.1 million ounce reserve. We now have added to our board a couple of guys who have long mining history in construction of production facilities and projects. So they've recently joined our board in the last year, and we've actually signed up a COO who has built 12 production facilities in his lifetime. He's been with us for 2 years as a lead consultant, and he's now just signed up. His name's Dave Anthony. He's built 12 mines, as I said. 6 of those were for Barrick, and his experience as a COO is unparalleled for a company of our size and where we want to go. Our team is building out. The key message for our investors and our potential investors is we have scale. We have had technical success on the project. It's de-risked to a point, and we'll continue to optimise beyond the feasibility study. So you've got to ask yourself a question: will this be a mine one day or not? A lot of institutional shareholders on the register believe it will be, and a lot of people in the market believe it will be. That's a question of when do you feel comfortable to come in and take a seat on the train as it moves along towards becoming a producing mine. Along the way, we're not sure how it's going to play out. Do we get financing for it ourselves? Do we JV? Does the asset get bought? We're not sure. All of these are the unknowns, but something will trigger in the not too distant future because of the scale and the profitability of this project, which is very evident in our feasibility study. So that's the key message. When does it suit your investment criteria to come along and join the team for the next wave of investment? This inaugural mining conference in Sydney of the 1-to-1 group has been fantastic. I was there when they did their first one in Cape Town a few years ago. I had 4 people in the audience. Today, it was almost a packed room. So I wish the guys all the best with their tried and tested global strategy. and I'm very pleased that they brought it to Australia. Gives everybody in Australia the opportunity to come and see various companies at various stages and just walk around like kids in a candy store, basically. There's very big range of colours and sizes and anything and everything that's in the mining space is here. One to One does a fantastic job.